Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Digit to save for children's activities. From sport teams to music lessons and summer camps, kids activities can add up fast. Digit helps you to prepare by saving gradually in a dedicated goal. First, open the Digit app. Log into your Digit account using your mobile device or web dashboard. Once you're in, create a new savings goal. Tap on the create goal, or it could be add goal in your savings section. Now you're gonna name your goal. Call it something like kids activities, or it could be specific like piano lessons or even summer camp 2025, whatever it is. Choose a matching icon or category like family or education. Next, set your target. Estimate exactly how much you're going to need for upcoming activities and set that as your goal. If you have a specific time frame like the start of a school semester or summer, you can include a deadline so that Digit can pace the savings. Next, customize your savings settings. You can adjust how Digit saves. You can enable automatic daily or weekly savings. You can also choose to save more after payday. Likewise, you can set a minimum balance so that Digit doesn't pull too much when funds are tight. Next, track and adjust as needed. Monitor your progress from the app. If new activities come up or costs change, you can update the goal amount anytime. Next, withdraw funds when ready. When it's time to pay for the activity, simply tap withdraw and move the funds to your checking account. Saving a little over time with Digit makes covering your kids' enrichment opportunities a whole lot less stressful. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.